Hi, I'm Randy Nieder with Cambridge Engineering, and today we're going to talk about our Makeup Air product line. Cambridge Engineering products are designed for simple installation, easy maintenance, and reliable, cost-effective operation. All of our product lines are available with certified and pre-engineered factory options and field-installed accessories. At Cambridge Engineering, we manufacture products that heat, ventilate, and now cool both commercial and industrial buildings. Our M-Series Makeup Air technology is ideal for both commercial and industrial applications. We offer 9 models ranging from 1800 CFM to 75,000 CFM with up to 6.5 million BTUs of heat that are designed to be either rooftop or grade-mounted installation. Our M-Series units connect easily with your building automation systems and come with energy-efficient VFD controls. As everyone knows, our Makeup Air units provide 100% outside air for superior indoor air quality. We have a patented low fire start technology that increases reliability and saves energy, and our M-Series units offer several discharge options. Discharge duct, 3-way and 4-way discharge diffusers, and plenos. Starting in January of this year, we offer a cooling option that is now standard for all Makeup Air units. We also have the option of adding direct evaporative cooling coils to our complete line of M-Series Makeup Air units so that you can provide tempered cooling through adiabatic direct evaporative cooling. Besides evaporative cooling, we can easily add a DX or chilled water coil to the M-Series to provide the tempered cooling of outside air that your facility requires. Here's an example of our M130 Makeup Air unit that was designed with a 100-ton DX cooling coil being used at an industrial painting facility to help temper cool the air. Whether you require a basic cooler for a warehouse application or need a complete system for a manufacturing facility, the direct evaporative cooling option is engineered to provide cool, fresh Makeup Air for your facility, creating a more comfortable and productive work environment while using up to 70% less energy than conventional mechanical cooling systems. With the ability to add chilled water coils to our M-Series Makeup Air units, we're seeing an expanded use of our Makeup Air products for tempered cooling in markets throughout the U.S. Here's an example of our largest M-Series unit paired up with a 630-ton chilled water coil that's being used to temper cool a distribution center for one of the world's largest overnight shipping organizations. The M-Series has a wide selection of unit arrangements and accessories to meet your needs. For more information on our M-Series product line, you can visit our website at www.cambridge-eng.com or call us at 1-888-919-1887 and we will be glad to help you out.